Hey everybody, just wanted to go on a quick ramble about insurance claims and hail damage. If you live in the cities of Pearland, Sienna Plantation, Missouri City, Friendswood, Clear Lake, Baytown, anywhere in the Jacinto City area, or anywhere on the lakes of Eldridge, over there by Cinco Ranch, Katy area, there's one thing that I know about 50% of you. Your roof, if you're a homeowner, your roof has hail damage. If you're a business owner, your roof has hail damage. It may not be every single one of you in that area, obviously, but your roof more than likely has hail damage. You may have or may not have filed your claim. But I will tell you this, if you are going to have somebody assist you with your deductible, there's only one way they should ever assist you with your deductible. How is that? It is through financing your deductible. Financing your deductible. And you should be looking for the best deal you can get on financing your deductible. The full insurance claim payout is supposed to go to your roofer, including your deductible. So if you can't afford the $5,000, the $8,000, the $10,000, the $12,000, whatever your deductible is, if you can't afford that, you need to finance that. Why would I say that? Many roofers will cut you your deductible, right? They'll kind of work a deal with you, right? That's right. If the insurance company says your roof is going to be $20,000 and your deductible is $5,000, the insurance company is saying that you should have a $20,000 roof on your roof. But if the roofer comes along and says, hey man, don't worry about that, you don't have to pay your $5,000. We'll do the roof for $15,000. We'll tell the insurance company it was $20,000, no problem. So we'll get all the money from them. That's not an issue. $20,000 from the insurance company, but you just don't worry about your deductible. We'll do it for $15,000. Was that extra $5,000? Is that money that other roofing companies want to charge you? Is all that money just profit? Is it going straight into the pockets of some greedy roofing company owner? It's possible. In some scenarios, that's possible. But for most good, reputable roofing companies, that $5,000 is going towards bills like this. The lady at the front who answers your phone calls when you have a leak. The repairman that goes out to your job when you have a warranty call. The lights that turn on in the office so that you can actually visit a place instead of having the roofer be some phantom person on the internet somewhere that you can't ever catch. It goes towards the lease for the building that they own, lease for the building that they office out of. It goes for the water bill. It goes for the trash bill. It goes to the gas that it takes to drive to your house and drive out to your house when the warranties come and things like that. It covers the bills that it takes to make that company a better company than the other companies. I hope that kind of makes sense. So when you get a roofer that is saying, I will cut your deductible, no problem, you're not going to have to pay it. Think about what that means for you. And I haven't even talked about roof installation techniques, paying more for a better crew, the different things by which a roofing company can make themselves better, and why they would want to charge that deductible instead of just covering it for the client. Think about this. Would your doctor ever tell you, hey man, don't worry about your copay, I'll get your copay, don't worry about it. I'll fake it to the insurance company, but you don't have to pay your deductible, don't worry about it. What he would have to do is then give you cut rate heart surgery. So say you're going for heart surgery, he's going to have to give you junky heart surgery. Now that doesn't make sense. So that's why medical professionals don't do it. They don't cut deductibles because they can't save money anywhere. They're not supposed to be doing that. You're supposed to pay full price and get good surgery. So why, when it comes to a massive purchase, which is like a $20,000 roof in this scenario, maybe even $40,000 depending on the house, or maybe $100,000 depending. We did a $108,000 claim in Houston. It varies. But why on the world would you trust somebody who's trying to cut the roof to pieces rather than somebody who says, I'm not going to break the law for you? Of course I'm not going to break the law for you. Why would I go to prison for you and to make a quick buck? No, I don't need to do that, and I never will. So that's who we are. That's who I am anyway. I am at Ernie Smith and Sons Roofing Company. My name is Sam Smith. If you like what you hear and you like that honesty and that transparency, call me if you live in those cities, because you do have damage. More than likely, you probably have damage if you're in those cities. Again, Katy, Cinco Ranch, Pearland. Got to make a turn here. Hold on. Katy, Cinco Ranch, Pearland, Jacinto City, you got smashed last year. A lot of you are about to expire, by the way. On a lot of you, your claim date that you have to file is about to expire pretty soon. So get on it quick too. March 9th, I think, is the date for some of you guys. And then some of y'all are expiring in May. You got to get on these. These claims don't sit around forever. And don't worry about it if you don't have $5,000 for your deductible or $8,000 for your deductible. We'll finance it. It's simple. You finance your car purchase. You finance your pool purchase. Why are you not going to finance your deductible? Why would you want somebody to just eat it? Those people are shady people. If they're going to eat your deductible and risk going to prison for it, who risks going to prison? Criminals do. So why would you trust a criminal to install your roofing system? If a roofing contractor is eating other people's deductibles, I view it, and the government views it, as a crime. It is a crime. So why would you trust a criminal to do your roof? My recommendation is that you don't, because criminals aren't very trustworthy. All right, guys. Peace out. Call me, 713-853-7509. You know what to do. Call me or text me anytime. We'll get out there and take care of you.